EM03 Custom Grinding Operation Demo. This demo uses chip grinding as an example. The customization process for other modules is the same. Tap Save Program. Place the item to be ground into the machine. Select the origin point, then adjust the XYZ-axis to the desired grinding starting point. After adjusting the origin point, save it to the selected point. After saving the origin point, select the diagonal point for adjustment. After moving to a certain distance, you can switch to adjust the single-step movement position for more precise grinding operations later. After adjusting the diagonal point, save it to the selected point as well. After saving the origin and diagonal points, tap Save Program. Return after saving the program. Set the single-step depth and the number of passes of rough machining, as well as the depth of fine machining. After settings are complete, tap Run to perform area grinding according to the configured origin and diagonal points.